Ali, what y'all get hoverboards for what?
For Christmas.
Yeah. And she got black and I got like a pink. Yeah, we both gotta be careful because we both got a hoverboard. Why you look at that? Don't crash down. My hoverboard name is Sal.
Sam?
What's your name? Baby sister's name is Aaliyah.
That means the hoverboard would have the same name as her.
Yep. My name is gonna be Minnie Mouse in the videos we do. So my hoverboard name is gonna be Minnie Mouse.
Y'all cute.
What is you now, buddy?
Hey, Mom. Hey, Auntie.
You cute.
Her name is Aaliyah and my hoverboard name is Minnie Mouse.
I don't think she gonna name the hoverboard the same thing as her.
For me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be. My hoverboard name is gonna be Fowler.
That's not one.
My hoverboard name is gonna be Fowler.
That's the big
Like
shoe.
Al Bud.
That's the big shoe.
I put it in the corner. Be careful, girl. Why?
Aaliyah, excuse
I
me.
already know.
I'm doing good.
Yes, you is.
I already know.
But we can't go outside right now.
Not until y'all master that. And if y'all do go outside, I want y'all on smooth surface with a helmet on.
A helmet.
Yes, a helmet. So y'all need to master in here first.
What is that for me?
Meaning you need to be good enough. Team Princess.
Tea Princess.
Oh, remember that fast.